All right, boys and girls, check this out. This is the correct way to install your propellers on your DJI FPV drone. You have to make sure that when you put these propellers on, there's two ways you can put them on. You have to make sure that they are not protruding. This piece here, you gotta make sure it's not protruding out. Because when I first flew my drone, I pushed down on them, put it in, but I didn't have one all the way on. And when I started to do the lift off and take off, I seen one of them starting to spin up. So it's easy to happen if you're in a rush to do it, because it's exciting to do, it's exciting to fly, but pay attention. When you first buy your drone, you get two sets of props. And me personally, I done ordered me another set. In a minute, y'all finna see this thing a whole totally different color. I'm just watching everybody do their skins on theirs and how they doing theirs, and I just want to be different. I done seen some out there on the Facebook forum that's nice. You know what I mean? It's on the DJI FPV for beginners flying these drones. So with these props, as you can see, they have little red circles on them, the ones that is like you got A and B. And as you can see, they got little connectors on the very bottom of them. Got very little small connectors. So, and it's like I said, when you push them down on your drone, you want to push them in, and they spring loaded. Make sure they're in tight. But let's see here. So I'm gonna take these off, and as you can see, these here, they don't have that red circle on them. So also it'll be color coded like that on the drone as well. The motors are spring loaded. And as you can see, with those same little bitty grooves that's on the propellers, as you can see, when you push down on these spring loads, when you mash down on them, you gotta make sure that piece, pay attention, that piece is strictly turned all the way where it won't turn no more. Therefore, you won't have to worry about your propellers flying off while you're in flight. Because if one of them come off while you're in flight, you already know, down with the drone. And something I don't like, but I guess it's business, when you first purchase your FPV drone, I got mine out of Best Buy. You have a 2-day activation for insurance. Other than that, if you don't get it within 2 days, once you activate your drone through the DJI app, automatically, well actually you have to, if you're gonna get it after that, you have to show a video of you purchasing the drone, your receipts and all this, a lot of stuff that you don't really want to have to go through. So get your insurance when you before you activate the drone, because they only give you 48 hours to activate the insurance, which I think that's crazy. You know what I mean? Being that they just, DJI, to my understanding, they just came off in the FPV world, so you know, it's a hell of a hobby. Make sure you get that insurance 2 days after activating your drone. Other than that, you have to go through all kind of stuff when it comes to getting insurance. But let's go on with the props right here. Once again, take a look. And as you can see, this one is color coded. As you can see on the drone, it's color coded. A is color coded, and B is not color coded. But when you put your propeller on, you push in, and you can either hold the motor, or you can turn the motor. You can push down, turn the motor, or you can turn the propellers. Me, I choose to just hold my motor and turn the propeller. I don't want my motor spinning unless it's getting ready to take off. So that's one on, and as you see, this other one is color coded. I'm gonna push in. But once again, remember it's spring loaded. See, that's spring loaded. You can push down on it. Put it on a flat surface. I'm gonna push down, turn. Not color coded. This is a B. As you can see, and I left my letters on B. And remember, it's spring loaded. push down, and those turn the opposite way of A. See how I like made a mistake and picked up that one and tried to put it on there, but that color coded saved the day. Once again, here we go. Push down and turn. So also what I do to make sure that my propellers are on the correct way, just run your hand across the spring lobe, and if it's protruding out, they're not on the right way.